Hi guys, myself Meenal Jain. Today we are starting with the session of derivatives or differentiation, the introduction part. First of all, let us consider y is equal to fx be any function. We consider this as 1 so that we can use it later on by saying equation number 1. Now, the derivative or differentiation of y with respect to x is denoted by dy by dx, so as the derivative or differentiation of right hand side, that is fx with respect to x, is denoted by f dash x. So here our equation 1 will become d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of fx, that is dy by dx is equal to f dash x. This is how we represent the derivative of any function with respect to x. Now we are continuing with some important formulas for the standard derivative. The first formula is d by dx of k is always equal to 0, where k is your any constant term. For example, d by dx of 5. 5 is your constant term. So automatically the derivative or differentiation of 5 with respect to x will become 0. Again, we can take d by dx of a. A is also a constant term. So automatically the derivative of a with respect to x will become 0. So as we can take one more example, d by dx of 6 raised to the power 5. We can see that 6 raised to the power 5 is again a constant term. So automatically the derivative will become 0. Now, next is your derivatives of algebraic functions. These are very important formulas which gonna use in so many questions. First is d by dx of x raised to the power n, and the result is n into x raised to the power n minus 1. So we can say that the differentiation or derivative of x raised to the power n is equal to n dot x raised to the power n minus 1. We'll explain this by using an example. d by dx of x raised to the power 6, यानी कि हमें x raised to the power 6 का differentiation find out करना है. So here in this, the value of n is equal to 6. We can write hence n is equal to 6 while comparing. So using this formula, that is n dot x raised to the power n minus 1, we can write in place of n, that is 6 into x raised to the power 6 minus 1. This is the same formula. So the differentiation we are getting is 6x raised to the power 5. So this is your answer. The derivative of x raised to the power 6 with respect to x is 6x raised to the power 5. Now we are taking one more example for the same. So that would be your d by dx of 5x raised to the power 6. We are taking this example. Here 5 is your coefficient. The coefficient given in the question. Always remember, while differentiating, take the coefficient outside. Then write down d by dx of x raised to the power 6. So this will become your 5 into x raised to the power 6. We can easily differentiate by using the same formula we have just discussed, that is d by dx of x raised to the power n is equal to nx raised to the power n minus 1. So this will become 6, क्योंकि n का value is 6 here. So 6 x raised to the power 6 minus 1. So answer is 6 5 is 30 x raised to the power 5. This is the derivative of 5x raised to the power 6 with respect to x. One more example for more understanding. D by dx of 7x square. So here 7 is your coefficient. Take the coefficient outside. D by dx of x square. Now again the value of n is 2. So using the same formula, nx raised to the power n minus 1. N ka value here is 2. So that would be 2x raised to the power 2 minus 1. So 7 2s are 14. X raised to the power 1. So answer would be yours 14x. Now clear with this formula? Now taking the another formula of the algebraic function, that is d by dx of x. The formula that gives you always 1. This is one of the important formula. D by dx of x is always equal to 1. The next formula is d by dx of root x. Once we are seeing how we are getting this formula, later on we can use this formula directly in the questions. So here d by dx, root x can be written as x raised to the power half, we know that. Now here the value of n is half. So by using the same formula, nx raised to the power n minus 1, half x raised to the power half minus 1. This gives you half x raised to the power, cross multiply करेंगे यहाँ पे, तो 1 minus 2 by 2. So this gives you half x raised to the power minus 1 by 2. And it would be written as 1 by 2. This x raised to the power minus half is in the inverse form. So we can write down it in the denominator. So this gives you 1 upon x raised to the power half, that is 1 upon 2 root x. So we are getting the formula d by dx of root x is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. Now the next formula is d by dx of 1 upon x. For getting this formula, same d by dx, this 1 upon x can be written as x raised to the power minus 1. ये reciprocal है, inverse में लिख सकते हैं x raised to the power minus 1. So again the value of n here is minus 1. So using the formula which we have discussed earlier, nx raised to the power n minus 1, n का value is minus 1. X raised to the power minus 1 minus 1. So this gives you minus 1 x raised to the power minus 2. So this is minus 1 upon x square, that is d by dx of 1 upon x. This is the next formula for the standard derivative. Now we are taking one question so that we can understand it more clearly. Differentiate y is equal to x raised to the power 4 minus root x. So we are starting this. We are supposed to find out here dy by dx. So first of all, write the statement, differentiate y with respect to x on both sides. So this will become d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of x raised to the power 4 minus root x. Separate it. This can be written as d by dx of x raised to the power 4 minus d by dx of root x. X raised to the power 4 can be differentiated by using the same formula, that is x raised to the power n. So this will give you n as 4. So 4 x raised to the power 4 minus 1 minus sign root x differentiation. We have already discussed the formula, that is 1 upon 2 root x. So this gives you 4x cube minus 1 upon 2 root x. That is the answer. That is dy by dx. Now we are taking next. Let's take one more example for the same to understand it clearly. That is differentiate y is equal to 5x raised to the power 7 minus 2 root x plus 3 upon x raised to the power 4. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. So this gives you dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 5x raised to the power 7 minus 2 root x plus 3 upon x4, that is equal to, separate the terms individually, that is d by dx of 5x raised to the power 7 minus d by dx of 2 root x plus d by dx of 3. This can be written in the power, that is x raised to the power minus 4 to solve it. Now this 5 is the coefficient. Take the coefficient outside as we have already discussed. 5 into d by dx of x raised to the power 7 minus, take the coefficient 2 outside, that is d by dx of root x, plus again take the coefficient outside, that is 3d by dx of x raised to the power minus 4. Now using the same formula, x raised to the power n, here n is equal to 7. So 7 into x raised to the power 7 minus 1 minus 2. The derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, that is the formula, plus 3. Again here n is minus 4, to take minus 4 x raised to the power minus 4 minus 1. The same formula we are using, that is d by dx of x raised to the power n. Here 7 5 is 35, x raised to the power 6 minus this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So it gives you 1 upon root x minus 3 4 is 12. ये माइनस साइन ले लिया हमने यहाँ पे. X raised to the power minus 5. So this is the answer. dy by dx is equal to this value. Or you can write down dy by dx is equal to 35 x raised to the power 6 minus 1 upon root x minus 12 upon x raised to the power 5. In both the way, your answer would be considered as correct only. Okay, thank you so much guys. That's all for today's session. For any queries, do write in the comment box. In the next session, we'll continue with derivatives of trigonometric, exponential and logarithmic function with the more difficulty levels of the questions. Till then guys, stay tuned.